Good morning, students. Now we will practice some of the questions which are based on the graph, which is more frequently asked in the CBSE board exams class 10th. Okay, so before that we have studied the concept of Ohm's law. We have studied the variation of resistance in series and parallel. So we will practice some of the questions based on the graph. First question is question number 1. Variation of resistance with the radius of the wire. We have learned that resistance is inversely proportional to area, and we know that area is 1 upon r square, is 1 upon area of the cylindrical wire. So this is pi r square. So the variation of resistance with the radius of the wire is this way. Now the question number 2, which has the more resistance? So graph is plotted between I and V, and these are the two materials X and Y. So we know that the slope of I upon V, this represents 1 upon R. This represents 1 upon R. So which has the lesser slope will have the more resistance. So resistance of Y is greater than resistance of the X. Okay? But if the graph is plotted in this way, that if V and this versus I, so what has happened? The slope of V versus I graph represents resistance. So the resistance of the X is greater than resistance of the I. Many times such type of questions are asked in the exams and students are getting confused. See here, V upon I, this is equal to R. So the slope of V versus I graph represents the resistance. So as the slope of X is more than slope of the Y, so it represents more resistance as compared to Y. But if the graph is interchanged, then I upon V represents 1 upon R, which has lesser slope will have more resistance. Okay, now let us see the question number 3. Which wire is at more temperature? Okay, so the graph is again it is plotted between I and V. So we know that I versus V, 1 upon I upon V represents 1 upon R. Okay, so which has the lower slope will represents the higher temperature. Okay, sorry. Here the question is which wire is at the more temperature. So here what we get that I upon V, the graph is plotted. So this represents the 1 upon R. So the slope of this wire T1 is greater than T2, but the temperature of the T2 is greater than T1. Why this happens? Because resistance of this wire is more than resistance of this wire. So as we know that resistance is directly proportional to temperature. So T2 temperature is greater than T1 temperature. So here two questions can be framed. Which wire has more resistance or which wire has less resistance? And second question is that which wire is at the higher temperature? So remember I upon V represents the 1 upon R. So the wire which has the lower slope will have more resistance. So this has more resistance. So resistance is directly proportional to temperature. So temperature of this wire is more than the T1. Okay. Now question number 4. Which material is used for series and parallel combination? So as we all know that V upon I represents resistance. More is the slope, more is the resistance. So here see the slope of the wire B and slope of the wire A. So the slope of wire B is more, so it has high resistance. So the wire B is used for the series combination and wire A is used for the parallel combination because the wire A has the lesser resistance. Now see the question number 5. Which has the more resistivity? See the graph is plotted between J and E. J is the current density and E is the electric field. We know that J is equal to sigma E. So the slope of J versus E represents sigma. that is conductivity. So from this graph we know that conductivity of B is greater than conductivity of A. It is very clear from the graph that slope of B is more than slope of A. So the conductivity of B is greater than conductivity of A, and we know that resistivity is reciprocal of the conductivity. So the resistivity of A is greater than resistivity of resistivity is reciprocal of conductivity. So resistivity of A is greater than resistivity of B. This question can be asked in another way also, that graph is plotted and they will ask the question that A and B are the two wires. Which among these wires will be used in making the standard resistor? So as we know that resistivity of A is more than resistivity of B, so therefore the wire A is used in making the standard resistor. Okay, so question can be framed in many ways. Now the third question is, again the graph is plotted between I and B and 3 wires are given, 1, 2 and 3. We have to arrange them in decreasing order of the resistance. So here again we know that I upon B represents the 1 upon R. So which has the lesser slope will have the more resistance. So resistance of the wire 1 is greater than resistance of wire 2 is greater than resistance of wire 3. So my dear students, in this way many questions can be framed on the basis of the previous concept what we have learned, the Ohm's law and the series and parallel combination. Okay, thank you.